Hello students, I am Anurag Misra and in this video we shall study English of Standard 12. This chapter has been taken from main course book, that is Flamingo, and this is the 5th lesson, and name of this chapter is Indigo, and this chapter has been written by Louis Fisher. So let me tell you about the author. Louis Fisher was born in Philadelphia in 1986. He served as a volunteer in the British Army between 1918 and 20, and later on he became a follower of Mahatma Gandhi, and he has written something about Mahatma Gandhi. So this chapter deals mainly about Mahatma Gandhi and basically about the episode in Champaran which took place in 1917. So let me introduce you this chapter. As we know that India was slave, and in 1970 in Champaran the farmers were tortured. They were not given full right to the crops. So something must be done. So here the farmers met and decided to bring Gandhiji. Their only hope was Gandhiji, because in South Africa Gandhiji made the people of South Africa free from apartheid, black and white system. So here the people thought of Gandhiji, and from Champaran, there is a place in near Champaran, Chanpatia. From there Rajkumar Shukla, a farmer, he was given charge to go and bring Gandhiji. So their only hope was to bring Gandhiji, and in this chapter we shall study how Rajkumar Shukla managed to bring Gandhiji in Champaran and how Gandhiji solved the problem of Champaran. This is the basic theme of this chapter, and we shall be familiar with Gandhiji more after going through this chapter. So I am sending PDF and summary of this chapter, which will be helpful for the students to go through the chapter. Here I have rewritten, as you can see, about the author, summary, and at the end I have given some question and answer. So in this video I have introduced you this chapter. Kindly go through the chapter.